Hello, this will be a review of these three fire alarm devices that I got. So let's get into that now. This one here is some people would call it the fake BG12, but I know what it really is. It's the Chinese variant of the BG12. So basically you just have to push in and pull down like that, and some people say the word activated, it doesn't show up on this one, but it does. And then to reset it, to use the keys and turn that like that. Open this, there's the LED right there, and you flip that switch back up, close it, and if this were any other pull station, you could have this in the unlock position all you want and the key would not come out. But because it's this specific pull station, the key can come out in the unlock position. But I'm not gonna keep it in that position, obviously. I'm gonna put it back into the lock position. Anyways, moving on from that device. This one here is the System Sensor SPSR Spectral Advanced Speaker Strobe, and got the Candela 15, and on the back you got the switches, the one for volts and the one for watts. Got the speaker right here, and you got the little thing right there. That switch there controls what number shows up right there for the Candela output, and it goes from 15 to 15/75 to 30 to 75 to 95 to 110 to 115. And there's little things up here. These two things right here and here. That's for the mounting plate to go onto. However, I do not currently have a mounting plate, but I will make a video or community tab post showing the mounting plate once I get it. So be on the lookout for that. But anyway, that's enough of that device. On to the third one. The Faraday Siemens 2700 remote strobe. So it's basically only a strobe on this one. And got this thing on the bottom here that you would remove to, they just remove that right there, and then you use a screwdriver to change the Candela output. Pretty much change the brightness of the strobe. And got the battery right here with all the wires. And yeah, it's a 4-wire device. So yeah. It's a nice looking device. Actually, all of these are really nice looking devices. But I don't think this pull station here deserves all the hate that I've been seeing people give it, because it is literally an international manual call point. Like, it literally says it right there, conventional manual call point. It's the Chinese version of the VG12 full station. And yet I see a lot of people give it hate because it's not the real VG12. But there's a whole bunch of other international fire alarms that no one gives hate to, like the call points of the UK and all those fire alarm sounders they got over there in like London or whatever. I don't see anybody giving hate to those, so I give hate to this. I think it's a cool pole station, and I may be the only one who does, but that's what I think. And these two devices here are also pretty nice looking. This one probably is one of the rare ones these days, probably because of how long it's been out. This one is probably starting to become rare because of the fact that the Special Advance was discontinued a while back when the Xenon L series came out. So sometimes when you know things are starting to become rare, you have to appreciate them more. So that's my review on these things. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you all next time.